viewers, Assalamu alaikum. My last topic is about line, LTS, etc. Today my topic is about circle, types of circle, zoom, zoom all, and zoom window. So I can start my video. Let's we come here on the page of Autocad. Here this page is called workspace. This is workspace. So first of all, we can set the unit. For unit we can use U and enter. Here is decimal 0. Okay, then I can select D, enter, modify. Here I can select that one, then click OK, then close that window. So I can come to my topic. My topic is today circle. For circle shortcut is C. We can click C, then click enter. Here we can see circle, specify center point for circle, specify center point for circle. So I can specify this center point, then when I click everywhere I can draw a circle. Here I can draw a circle without dimension. I don't give dimension of the circle. If we draw 15 radius circle, so how can we draw? Here we can click C, then click enter. Okay, we can click the enter, then here specify center point for circle. So we can click on everywhere where I want a circle, so we can click here. Now we can see here the command box, specify radius of circle, specify radius of circle. So the radius for circle is, we can draw 30 radius of circle. Here we can see 30 radius of circle. How can we find that how many radius of that circle? We can find the dimension of that circle. So we come here in the dimension box. Here we can click on the radius, then click on that circle, then click again here. Now I zoom that one. Here I can draw 30 radius of circle, 30 radius of circle. So here we can see 30 radius of circle. Now I can draw 30 radius of circle. If we want another circle in dia, if our work is in dia, so how can we draw a circle on dia? For dia we can click C. C is the shortcut for circle. C, enter, then here specify center point for circle. We can click center, then here if we give the value for the circle, so that is n radius, because here specify radius for circle, specify radius of circle. Okay, so we want in diameter, so we can click here. We can write here D, then click enter. I can write here D and click enter. Now I can draw 60 diameter of circle. So I can click on, I can write the value 60, then click enter. Now we can see these two circles are same. That's why the dia is half of radius. Dia is half of radius. Okay, so I find the diameter of that circle. Here we can see 60 diameter. Now I can show you that how many diameter is that circle. So I click here on diameter, click here on that circle, and click again. Here we can see 60 diameter. and 30 radius. That circle is 60 diameter and 60 radius, 30 radius and 60 diameter. Okay, so now I want the two I want to draw a line L. So for line I can say you that for line we can use L. L is shortcut for line, so L, enter. We can, here we can see line, specify first point. Here they want first point, so we can click here. That is our point. Now the line is freely going around. So how can we straight this line? For straight this line we can use the command R2 mode. We on the mode to R2 mode from here, or F8 is the shortcut for R2, so we can click F8. Now we see the line is straight. Okay, so I draw a line which dimension is 57. Okay, so I can click 57. I can give the value 57 and click enter. Now I can draw a line of, then again enter, so I can draw a line of 57 meter. That is 57 meter line. Now I want to draw a circle which is tangent to that point and touch that point. So how I can draw? For that I can click C. C is shortcut for circle. C, enter. Then here we can see 3P. 3P mean 3 point. 2P. 2P mean 2 point. TTR. TTR mean tangent radius. Okay, so now I can draw a line with the 2 point. So I click here on command box, then I write 2P, then click enter. Okay, now here specify first and end point of circle. Now I can specify the first point, and that is my end point. I can draw a circle which touch the line of the first point of the line and the end point of the line. Here I can show you. Now the another circle we can draw 3-point circle. So how we can draw 3-point of circle? I draw a circle ordinary here. Now I want a circle which is touch that point and that point. Okay, so I click C, enter. Now here 3P, so I can click here 3P. 3P means 3 point. Okay, so here command box specify first point. I can specify the first point. Now here we can see specify second point. I can specify the second point, and here they can say third point, so I can specify the third point. Here we can see the line touch that point and that point, so we can draw 3-point circle. Now I can draw a circle which is tangent radius. Okay, so I can click C, then click enter. Here we can see TTR, tangent radius. So I click here TTR, then click enter. What is the meaning of tangent? Tangent mean that the circle which touch that point and that point, and I give the radius from my side, so I can click the tangent point that and that tangent point. Now I want to draw 50 dia of circle, 50 radius of circle, so I can click 50 and click enter. Now we can see the line touch that point and that point, and this circle radius is exactly 50. Okay, now the last one is tangent. We can draw it from here. Here we can select the circle and click on the tangent, tangent, tangent. So how can we draw a tangent, tangent, tangent line? So I click here, tangent, tangent, tangent. Then the first point is that, second tangent point is that, and third tangent point is that. Now we can see a circle with tangent, tangent, tangent. Now my second topic is zoom. So how can we zoom our work or zoom out our work? So the first method is from our mouse. We can scroll up our mouse so we can zoom in, scroll down our mouse so we can zoom out. Now we want to zoom all our work, so we can click Z. Z is shortcut for zoom. Z, enter. Now here we can see all, center, dynamic, extent, previous, scale, window, object. So I can show you all and window. All and window. How can we use all and window? Because all and window are used most times. So I can use A, click A, then click enter. Here you can see Z, enter, then click A, enter, again Z, enter, A, enter. Our work is all on our workspace. Okay, so now we want zoom window, so you can click Z, then click enter, then here window, so you can click here and type here W. W is for window. So now here we can see specify first corner. I want only this object, so I can specify this point. Now here we can see specify opposite corner, so I can specify this opposite corner of that here. Now you can see only that circle, the other circle was hidden here. If you want to zoom all, Z, enter, then A, enter. Okay, thank you for watching my video, and give me comments on my comment box. Thank you for watching.